Are you videotaping right now?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So, Kaylin, this is what you get when you don't fucking get up and take care of your goddamn son. Stay up all night long and party. You have to learn to be able to function if you want to party. Like getting up at 8 o'clock in the morning to feed your fucking kid. It's not even funny. So now I warned you, and I'm gonna fuck with you. Thank you. We're coming down in the basement because that's where you kindly sleep and hide all the time. Plug your ears. Plug your ears. Just plug your fucking ears. Don't worry about your phone. Plug your fucking ears. Cadwin, wake up. Time to take care of your kid. Oh. Move.
Fucking hurt my ears.
My ears are